All right, whenever I stuff the pumpkin, I put the stuffing in and I push it to the outside edge, and then I just take a little bit and I kind of push it into the outside where I want it to be so that I can kind of get an even outside, and then I can kind of just stuff this in the center. And I like mine pretty dense. Not too dense, but dense. So I have it pretty good and full. And I hope this little tip helps you stuff your pumpkin a little bit easier, because I had a hard time with some previous ones that they looked really lumpy on the outside, but once I learned that trick of pushing it all to the outside and getting it nice and even, then I can stuff it from the inside out. So anyways, I hope that helped you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.